the 1MORE SonoFlow. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the SonoFlow wireless ANC headphones by 1MORE. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, USB-C charging cable, an audio cable, and a storage case. The headphones feature 70 hours of listening time with ANC off and 50 hours with it on. 5 minutes of charge will give you 5 hours. Bluetooth 5.0, LDAC codec and high-res audio, 40mm drivers, button controls and an app, USB-C for charging, and it has ANC and transparency mode. The headphones are very light and the ear cups do swivel out, and you can see the ear markings inside. They also fold in for easier storage. Looking at the padding, they're very soft around the ear cups and around the headband as well. The logo is on top of the headband, and on the side you can see the branding. There is good travel, and each adjustment level clicks into place. The band is also flexible, and this should accommodate various head sizes with no issues. The left side has a charge LED and the USB-C charge port. On the right side you have the ANC button, ANC LED, playback buttons, aux port, microphone, power LED, and the power button. This has app integration, and once you're connected you can see the battery levels, toggle ANC and transparency modes, select EQ settings, and access the general settings. The headphones weigh in at 256 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
An headphone? Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Hey. Oh man, I got.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SonoFlow headphones microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. The microphone worked well during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the headphones. They were comfortable and the ear cups seat well over my ears. They were soft and I didn't feel pressure around my head. The clamping force is just right and it's not too tight. Build and quality is decent for what you would expect in this price range. It feels durable and light. Button controls are responsive and easy to navigate once you familiarize yourself with the placement. Battery life is excellent at 70 hours with ANC off and 50 hours with it on, and I like the app integration. The ANC feature worked as advertised and it canceled the surroundings fairly well. The transparency feature also picked up the sounds loud and clear when activated. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in punchy and tight, but it doesn't overwhelm, and it's just the right amount for me. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, and vocals and instruments do stand out. It's crisp, balanced sounds, and it did well with various music genres that I tested it with. Overall, I feel this is a great option for those that are seeking headphones with ANC. The sounds and features don't disappoint, and the price point is very competitive. So that is my review of the 1MORE SonoFlow wireless ANC headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.